So in this video, I'm going to discuss the find X problem which occurred in today's CODECHEF challenge. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ping me up on Instagram. Even you can join my Discord server. I put both the links in the comment section. And if you want me to solve the problems which occurred before this, then I'll prefer like write it in the comment section. I'll try like I'll upload them because I've solved all of them. So in this question, it basically says that you're given four numbers and the numbers are a, sorry, let me focus it once. Yeah, so the numbers are A, B, C and D. Okay, and you're given that A mod B is equal to C mod B, and you have to find the minimum value of X such that A plus X mod B is equal to C plus X mod B, right? And X is greater than equal to 1. That is just a positive integer. So now the question arises is like it is very much prominent from the test cases that if you are going to find a solution of big O n, like if you look at the constraints, if you are going to find a solution on big O n, it is going to give you a TLE. Big O n means big O 10 to the power 9. Okay, this is 10 to the power 9 is a very big constant in this question specifically. 10 to the power 9 is a very big constant. So whatever, like if you're thinking that you're going to run a while loop and check the value of X such that A plus X mod B is equal to C plus X mod D, that is going to give you a TLE for the first two cases, and the last case will be accepted. So what is the logic that we are going to check? Number one, okay, this is the case one. What is the case one? The case one is very simple. Case one is check if A plus 1 mod B is equal to C plus 1 mod D. So if this is equal, then you can print 1 for sure. Okay, so we are done with the case 1, right? This case 1. These two are case 2. The case 2 is very interesting. Remember one thing, that A plus X, A plus anything mod B should always be lesser than B, and C plus anything mod D should always be lesser than D, and we know that both are equal, so both these values are lesser than the minimum of B or D, right? So we know one thing, if you know about the L, like should I okay, so I'm revealing it. So if you know about the LCM thing, why do we use the LCM thing? It is the minimum. What is the full form of LCM? The least or lowest common multiple, right? So if we add the LCM, if the LCM is such a number which when mod one number, okay, X, and LCM of X comma Y mod X and LCM of Y comma X mod Y both are equal to 0, right? We know this because LCM is just least number which divides both X and Y. Now the best approach to do this is you have to reduce A with such a number such that with the minimum number such that A mod B is equal to 0. That is, we over here we take another variable. So now this is very important, please like concentrate on this portion. So what is Y? Y is equal to A mod B. Now remember one thing, if I take away Y from A, then what is A mod B? A mod B after this, A mod B becomes 0. Okay, so once we have done with this, then we have to find the LCM of B and D. Okay, you know how to find it. There is a GCD thing, A comma B, that if A is equal to 0, return B, and then return GCD of B mod A comma A. Okay, this function. And what is LCM? LCM is equal to A into B by GCD of AB, right? This thing you know. But over here, this is not AB, this is what? This is BD, right? So remove this. So this will be B, this will be D, this will be B, this will be D, this will be B, this will be B. Okay. So once we have found out the LCM of BD, so we can say that this LCM value, after we add it to A, and then if we subtract the actual value of A, then we get the answer. I know this is very much like complex. My writing is also a very like very unclear. So like it will be better if I do it with this example. Okay, 5182, it is 2, so you won't get it. So 3243. Okay, 3243. This is clear. So A is equals to 3, B is equals to 2, C is equal to 4, and D is equal to, sorry, this looks as C. So D is equal to 3. So what we are going to do first, this is the actual value of A. So we can store it in, let's say, actual. Okay, actual, this is actual is equal to A. That is, actual becomes 3, right? Now we subtract from A. What do we subtract from A? A mod B. So 3 mod 2 is 1. So if we subtract from that, so now you can see that A mod B, that is 2 mod 2, becomes 0, right? So once we have done with this, we have to find the LCM of B and D. What is the LCM of B and D? 2, 3, it's 6, right? 6. And then once we have found it, we add this to A. Okay, we add this number to A. So 6 plus 2 becomes 8. Then we subtract A and actual. So 8 minus 3 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, right? So let me like rewrite the whole thing, the whole pseudocode kind of thing. Okay, the pseudocode is case 1, A plus 1 mod B is equal to C plus 1 mod D, then print 1. And case 2 is, if this is not equal, then we have to go to case 2, and the pseudocode for case 2 is A minus is equal to A mod B. And before doing this, you have to make a variable called actual and assign that A. So A minus is equal to A mod B, and then you have to add to A LCM of B comma D, and then you have to print A minus actual. Okay, what you have to print? A minus actual. So how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-line code. And for this LCM thing, you can make a GCD function and also an LCM function, and LCM is equal to x into y by GCD of x comma y, right? So this is how you're going to do this. So that's it. Let me focus it. So I think it's clear. So that's it. Thank you.